Okay, Tom, so the last homework you did for me, you got 28 out of 100, so let's see if you can do better this time. No, right, so the first thing you've done is wrong because you have taken the flower pot and you haven't turned that into pounds, so that's in the wrong units. That's right. That's wrong. And then that's also going to be wrong. Or is it? Because if you take that to be 360, no, so that's wrong as well. So I'm going to give you 1 mark for attempting to add up there, but that's not a great start really. 10% of that is going to be that, but you need that in pounds and you've got too many decimal places there, so that's not going to be good either. The floor of a classroom, well, if it was area it would be centimetres squared, not centimetres, but centimetres isn't appropriate either. What we're looking for there are square meters. Litres is correct, distance and that is correct, so we've got 3 marks there. B and F are correct. A is a pentagon, C is the hexagon, and G is correct there. 3 marks there, 7 for the page. That's good. That's good. That's not right. And we'll be doing questions like that in the coming week, so hopefully you know what you've done wrong there. That is 52, so that one's right. Here you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have got a number missing. Yeah, you haven't got 74. Okay, so what you should do when you are ordering your list is put a little dot above the ones you've used so you can see that you've used every one before doing that. For yours, 46 48.5 is actually correct, so you will get 1 mark for that, giving you 2, 4, 8 for the page. That's correct, that's correct. 10 AM the next day, good. 7 marks for that, that's excellent. 1.5 meters is good. Now then, what are we doing here? What are we doing here? So the car is 0.6 centimeters. And that is 7.7 centimeters. So what you want to do is to see how many times your 0.6 centimeters car goes into 7.7. So what you're looking to do is how many times does 0.6 go into 7.7, which is about 11 times. So 11 cars you would fit along there, and each car you reckon is times 1.5 meters to give you 16.5 meters as your estimate. So you're trying to do the right thing here, but you aren't quite getting the method right. So 7, 8, 9 for the page. That's good, 4 marks, well done. 29 is correct. And then what you have to do here is go the opposite way. So you would do 17, and then first of all do the opposite of subtracting 3, which is adding it. And then doing the opposite of times it by 4, which is dividing by 4, which equals 5. So you haven't got the method right there. Right, the difference of 3 each time, you're not telling me whether that difference is adding on or taking away, and also that's not a word, it's a number, and they want in words. So what we want to see there is that you're adding 3 each time. Taking away of half each time, again, is not right. If you're subtracting half, that's not what you're getting there. What you're actually doing is halving the previous number each time. So you're not quite clear enough with your language to get that mark. 5 for the page. 12, 4, 0, 12, 16, 16. Okay, so you've got 5 out of 6 for that. 1 wrong. Coordinates of B are, that's going to be 4, 4, taking you to 0, 8. That one's correct, that one's not. What you should be doing here is writing in what's happening each time. So that's taking off 2, taking off 4, taking off 6, taking off 8, which means then we've got to take off 10. If you take off 10, it takes you down to minus 6, not minus 4. 32 is correct. That is minus 3, but this is minus 2 times 5, which is negative 10. And what you've then done there is wrong. All you want to do then is minus 3, take 10, is minus 13. This is good, and that is close, damn you close. Because you've shown me here what you're doing, you're going to get the mark, the method mark for that. But you've added up something wrong. 0, 12, 28. That's 54. Not 56, so there's your mistake. But good attempt. 5, 8, 10, 11 for the page. That's good, that's good. Okay. If you haven't done this because you haven't got a protractor, you need to buy one. However, you would get 3 out of 4 just for finding the angles. If you don't know how to find the angles, watch my solution video clip, go on to Jones the Sums, find the section in topics on pie charts and practice them, because they're easy marks, Tom. Bearings we've done in class now, you should be able to cope with that. Watch the clip. This is called utility bills, and it's worth you getting your head around those. We'll probably get a chance in class, but if not, you do need to have a go at those. No marks to the page. That's good. Yellow and blue is good. 0.61 is good, well done. £15.84, 147.84, good. 8.1, perfect, good stuff. 10 marks to the page. That's correct, that's correct. It's not because the powers are the same, it's because the powers are even. That makes it the square number. That's the property of square numbers, is they have even powers when written in their products of their primes. Have a look on the topics on the website. You're looking for products of prime, I've either called them prime factors or prime numbers, I can't remember, but practice that method. You've nearly got it there. This is the easiest way to do it, and you're close to those marks. You're going to get 3 out of 4. Here, this is called trial and improvement. Take a look at my clip for the solutions to this paper and see how I've done that. This is very good. Yeah, this is correct. So A is 4.5, the area is 6.3, and the volume is that. Well done. So the total for that page is 9. Good going. Okay then, Tom, let's see how you've done. 7, 15, 24, 29, 40, 44, 54, 63. So 63 out of 100 is a grade D, but you're only 7 marks now off a grade C. So that's much, much better, especially when you consider you had 28 last time you did one of these homeworks. That's a massive improvement. Well done.